Drive a all white rank. Couldn't hit it if niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For sure, one.
What's up, court crew? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install your lace frontal wig with Ericka J's adhesive, her Hold Me Down adhesive. So first things first, we're gonna clean up our hairline with some alcohol. This will just soak up all of the excess oils that are on my face, and it makes it so much easier for the glue to have that hold. I'm going in with Ericka J's styling gel. This is just to tame my edges before putting on the wig cap.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know.
So now that you have your wig cap on, you're just going to cut out your ears as we prepare to do the bald cap method.
With the sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big thing, take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bang roll on what it do. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try. Big bang, tight, little bang, bang. Big bang, tight, little bang, bang.
So now before we go in with the adhesive, we're going to go in with Ericka J's Hold Me Down Adhesive Skin Guard. This just protects my skin from the glue. I sprayed that on the cap. I also sprayed it when just directly on my skin as well. I'm letting that dry before going in with the glue. So now I'm going in with the star of the show, the Hold Me Down adhesive. I am applying this to do the bald cap method. And yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch. I'm also picked up Ericka J's styling tool, and you guys, this was the stuff, you guys. Like, the tool, literally, like, you were never wasting any glue because of the way the tool applied it. Like, it was just so nice. As you can see, I'm like spreading it out, and then I never really run out. I'm able to take from other spots that have too much and then move it to spots of the cap that don't have enough. Like, it was just the perfect tool. So I definitely recommend you guys pick that up. But I'm just like evenly spreading it, and then I'm gonna let it dry before cutting the excess wig cap off my head.
She gonna let you put it in fire. Big bang, tight, low bang, bang. Big bang, tight, low bang.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told him I met Slim Shady, bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bums mad again.
So I let the cap dry until the glue was clear. As you guys can see, I started cutting it, and then I went in with some oil-free makeup. This makeup was not my color. Like, you guys, when you're applying makeup to your wig cap, you really have to have something either your exact skin tone or darker. So this was definitely too light, and I had to go in with my Sally Hansen leg spray, and I also had to go in with my hydrating foundation by Fenty in 410 just to make it look like scalp, because this was given casket ready, child. So yeah, that's a pro tip. Going with oil-free makeup, because if you do something with oils in it, it definitely affects how long your glue lasts. But if you don't have oil-free, definitely going with your foundation or something darker so that it really looks like scalp when you apply your wig. So in those earlier clips, I was literally just trying to see what was the wig giving, and it was still giving scalp. The wig is by NUBIAN bar. If I didn't say that already, it's their Kinky Blowout. in 22 inches. But now I'm just cutting off the excess wig cap. The sides took a long time to dry, but I always have difficulty with the sideburns area, so that didn't give me no problems at all. I'm actually going in with some more glue just to really lay down the edges of the cap. As you can see, they're kind of sticking up. But yeah, and then I'm gonna go and apply the wig. So for her glue, Ericka J says to do about 3 layers to get, I think, up to 2 weeks, depending on how much you sweat and other factors. So I'm just applying more glue before going in and applying the wig. I believe I put on 3 layers of glue. So yeah, but we're doing the same thing that we did when we were even applying the wig, when we were applying the wig cap in the before clips. Yeah. This is me letting y'all know I'm doing this 3 times, 3 layers of glue. And while it's like almost dry, I'm just like preparing the wig. So as soon as it gets clear and tacky, I am melting that lace down. Okay, honey? So as you guys can see, as I am applying that lace, I have my hot comb ready and hot. I'm about to go in and melt it, and I'm just going to run my hot comb through it. This just allows it to help mold that lace and melt it into my skin. And yeah, I'm going in with Ericka J's heat protecting spray just to protect the hair as I continue to press it out.
Oh God, you should match it, it's that KO. No way later, still I fuck my 28 up. 1998, my family had the actor. Oh, the legend. Capital 6, this interchange. Back on Boswell and Percy had it acting. Couple bishops in the city with a mention. Oh, the reverend. Preach yourself, 80 million, that's better. And we could only eat at Shoney's on occasion. After Trina hit, I had a tragic cabin. Yo, mom and honey, this is where I waited. Staying with you when I didn't have a habit. Fucking on you when I didn't own nothing. Working on the way to make it out of touch. Every night. And baby, I've been hungry for my night.
So later in this tutorial, I show you guys that I changed the part, but I didn't actually include that footage because I didn't record it. But this is exactly what I did to mold the wig into another part. I just applied some of Ericka J's fluff stuff, which is basically just a mousse, and I am just melting it down with the hot comb so that the part is melted. So that's what you do whenever you want to change the part in a wig. Y'all know I don't mess with middle parts all the time, and this one was no different. Like, my widow's peak was being mad annoying, so I had to change to a side part. But yeah, and then after this, I'm just going to cut off the lace, and then we'll get into styling. This is me testing that hold, honey. Y'all see it ain't going nowhere. It's like I'm pulling on it and it ain't going nowhere. So this glue is the truth. It was so easy. This is actually my first time using a glue to apply wigs. Usually I only go on with that the sprays, but it took a long time because it was my first time, but honestly I like how this looked in the end. So just going in with more mousse, more hot combing, and then I'm gonna cut the lace, and then we're gonna get into styling. Like I said before.
Type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank.
Everything proper, no propaganda. Tropicana go yard bandana. Big sack, a lot of hoes like Santa. Threw a birthday party in a phantom. Big like a dinosaur did it. And you know titties shining like a acrylic. Yeah, I sold dope and had cornrows. I can see you nigga hang with the door closed. Now I'm looking for a glove with a sparkle on it. And my CBD got chocolate on it. Big bank, take small. Bank account on some tall. Attitude on some you too. Bank roll on what it do, boo. Meet me at the roulette vibe. And if I ain't did it yet, I'll try.
Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank. Type of money you gon' need to sight. Type of money you gon' need to buy. From the hoes, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank.
She said, what you gon' do if I leave? I said, I'ma do me. B.I.G. Everything zoomed in. Big bag on me looking like I'm moving in. Got my foot in the door and we still here. I'm a first generation millionaire. I broke the curse of my family not having it. I'm passionate like girls that's after more than just cash and dick. Feed me to the wolves, now I lead the package. You boys all cap, I'm more college cap, but Nick, I'm rare as affordable healthcare. Or growing the wealth from welfare. I turn my W's to M's, yeah, I flip those. I might buy a red bottoms with the crypto. 3 points, that'll pay your whole semester. But you gotta ride it better than a Tesla.
Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank. Type of money you gon' need to sight. Type of money you gon' need to buy. From the hoes, type of money make you stay away. Type of money she gon' let you put it in the fire. Big bank, tight, little bank. Big bank, tight, little bank.
Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's. Told my man Slim Shady bag the M. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him hoes that it's crunch time abdomen. Yes, I caught Mad Chanel and Mad Javin. She did it again, imagine them. About to make these bums mad again. Back to them. I lead the pack, so my back's to them. Yup, the queen's back, what's happening? Rerun, about to make these rap again. Diamond chains on my ankle. Young money in the cut like a shank out. Tell tip rubber bands on my bankroll. Show my like a stank house.
So as you guys can see, I'm just cutting this lace, and you guys can tell that the lace is not, it's not even the lace, it's honestly the wig cap. So I pulled the wig cap too far down, and what I kind of did to fix that is just going with more foundation after I finished styling it. To style it, I put in a few wand curls, and honestly, I think it was the hair. Like, this hair did not hold a curl well. I don't know. I'm going to try it again. I'm actually going to do flexi rods for my birthday. So I'll just update you guys, because I'm going to be wearing this hair for a minute. That's why I glued it down. So I'll be giving y'all the tea and updating you all. And I'll also update you all on how long this hair lasted on my head. So if it was a week hold, or if it was 2 weeks, or whatever. So now I'm taking the wand curls out. And like I said, it did not really curl well. I don't know if it was the curling iron. I don't know if it was the wig. I don't know if it was the way I curled it. Child, I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to be trying it again for my birthday. But yeah, so after this, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, pick up some of these Ericka J products, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm gonna let y'all listen to some music and see the final product. So yeah.